Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with MetaTrader 5 and AvaTrade, using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Before we start, let me show you how this works. TradingView generates the buy and sell signals. TradeAdapter receives those alerts and converts them into real orders. AvaTrade executes the trades directly on your account. That's the full automation flow. Let's get started. We'll start by creating a demo account in AvaTrade. To do that, open the burger menu, select My Accounts, and then click on Accounts to continue. Next, select Add an Account and choose Demo. Select the trading platform, in this case MetaTrader 5, and choose your preferred base currency. Once everything is ready, click Submit. The next step is to log into our new account in MetaTrader 5. On the left panel, open the navigator, right-click on Accounts, and select Login to Trade Account. In the pop-up window, enter your MT5 account number in the login field. Add your trading password and select the server provided by AvaTrade. To confirm everything is correct, we can check the Trade tab, where the demo balance will be displayed. At the top of the MT5 window, you'll also see the account number we just logged into. With the AvaTrade Demo Account now linked to MetaTrader 5, the next step is to add our expert advisor. To do that, open the TradeAdapter website, go to the Instructions section, and select MT5 Setup. Once the page loads, you'll find the latest EA version available for download, developed by our team. Inside MT5, go to File and select Open Data Folder. This will open a directory where we navigate to MQL5, then Experts, and finally Advisors. In that location, paste the expert advisor we just downloaded. Back in MT5, open the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors, and select Refresh to update the list. Next, on the top menu, open Tools and click on Options. Go to the Expert Advisors tab and enable the following options. Allow algorithmic trading and allow web requests for the listed URL. Remember that it's very important to enable algo trading in the top toolbar so you can avoid any errors later on. Now it's time to choose the pair we want to trade. In this example, we'll use gold and we'll attach the expert advisor directly to that chart. Within the EA settings, we need to fill in the API field. To do that, go to the My Profile section on the TradeAdapter website and copy your API key. Before closing the window, make sure that under the Common tab, the option Allow Algo Trading is enabled, so the expert advisor can operate without any issues. As a quick final check, look at the top right corner of the chart to confirm the expert advisor is attached and running. Now that MetaTrader 5 is fully set up and ready to go, we can move on to the next step. Let's head over to TradingView, where we'll search for the gold pair to continue with the connection process. Let's open the Indicators menu. In the search bar, look for MTF Dual Supertrend, which we'll be using as our example to generate trading signals in this setup. Once the indicator is attached to the chart, you'll see the buy and sell signals appear. From there, we create our alerts, one for buy signals and another for sell signals. In the Alerts panel, click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is properly linked to your indicator. In this example, we'll begin by setting up the alert for the Supertrend buy signal. Next, we move to the Message tab, where we enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, so it's easy to identify later on. To complete the final field, we go to the TradeAdapter website, open the Instructions section, and look for the message generator specifically for MetaTrader. In this case, since we're using an indicator, we select the corresponding indicator message generator. We then enter our MetaTrader account number and set the order size to 0.1 without take profit or stop loss, essentially simulating a spot-style trade. After that, we generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. In the Notifications tab, make sure the Webhook URL option is enabled. We then repeat the alert creation process, but this time with two important changes. In the condition field, we select Super Trend Sell, so the alert triggers on sell signals. And when generating the message, we update the order type from buy to sell to ensure correct execution in MetaTrader 5. After running the setup for a while, our strategy starts generating signals on TradingView, and each of those signals is processed automatically through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything is working correctly, we can head over to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Inside My Trades, we open the MetaTrader tab, where all processed trades are displayed. Here we can review every order that was received, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was properly converted into a valid MetaTrader 5 instruction. To complete the verification, we then go back to MetaTrader 5 and open the History tab at the bottom of the platform. This section shows every executed order, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView, processed by TradeAdapter, were successfully executed in our demo account. Questions? Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.